I have a gas furnace that is working upstairs but not downstairs. Replace thermostat.ac works.fan works in on mode.what would cause it not to come on just downstairs?
You must have a two-zone system. You have one thermostat that does the main floor and one that does the upstairs, or you have one thermostat that does both levels.
Two-zone system, two thermostats, one for upstairs. One for downstairs. Upstairs working fine, heat upstairs, fine.no, heat downstairs.
Okay, then it sounds like the power damper is not opening up. Find the zone control board, it is probably near the furnace somewhere. See if the LED that tells you if the zone is open or closed is lit up for the upstairs zone, and then check the corresponding damper and see if it is closed or open. You said that air came out of this zone when you switched it to cooling though, is this right? You said that air came out of this zone when you switched it to cooling though, is this right?
What does it look like?
It will be a square panel where all the thermostat wires for the two thermostats tie into. It will also have the wires coming out of it going to the power zone dampers and the duct runs. It will have LED 1 telling you if it is in cool or heat mode, and then each zone should have an LED telling you what it is doing.
Matthew. I do not see that. All I have is the low voltage wires running directly into a Honeywell controller inside the furnace. Honeywell controller ST9141A1002 says to replace with part number 406650. But the funny thing is the LED light is blinking a normal bright/dim code.
If you do not have a zone controller with power dampers, then you must have a second furnace that does the downstairs, and that furnace is acting up, not the one you are looking at. How many outdoor units do you have sitting outside your house?
Correct. I have a downstairs package unit. What should I look for with no heat?
Go out to the package unit and find where all the thermostat wires hook up and jump the red wire with the white wire, then turn power back onto the unit and see if it fires up. This is assuming that this package unit is a gas package and not a heat pump.
I went outside and pulled access panel. The small exhaust fan runs but the heat does not turn on. It is a package unit with two gas burners and an AC unit model SV9500.
Sounds like the igniter isn't glowing. The SV9500 is a gas valve model number, not the actual furnace model. Find your hot surface igniter. It is a black carbon rod shaped like a W that sticks down into the burners. The igniter wires hook into a plug on top of this gas valve. The igniter should be dark black. If it is gray or white looking or has a hairline crack in it, then this is your problem and you need a new one.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.